What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to use the remote with your Rock Party 9. We can also control our speaker by using the wireless remote. So on top we have the power button to power on or power off our speaker. We have the mute button to mute our speaker. We also have this button to set our speaker to mic priority mode. Mic priority mode will make it so that the music ducks down while you speak into the microphone. This is great if you want to make any speeches or quick announcements while you have music playing. And we also have a mode button to switch between the different inputs of the speaker. We have the music playback buttons like pause and play, skip forward or previous, and we also have volume control, so we have volume plus and volume minus. We can also adjust the volume of our microphone with the mic volume minus and the mic volume plus buttons. We also have this button right here to control the LEDs of our speaker. So I can use this button to cycle between the 3 different LED modes here. Third LED mode, I can just turn off the LEDs altogether. Below that, we have the Bluetooth button to automatically set our speaker to Bluetooth mode. We have the reset button to reset our speaker. And then we have the voice button to either mute our guitar and microphone or unmute our guitar and microphone. We can also adjust the EQ of this speaker with the treble buttons and the bass buttons, and there's even preset EQs that we can set the speaker to using the EQ button here. So we can set this to either classical, pop, rock, jazz, or normal for a flat EQ. And then we have the number buttons to switch between the tracks on your USB device. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the remote with your Rock Party 9. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.